Ole'Pops here.
Right, dude.
We got us a special guest tonight. Say hi, Jilly darling.
Hi, Jilly darling.
She's awfully excited to be here. And the reason that we're here tonight is because we're just dying to give away some prizes. We have come to the end of the time limit on the 15 for 15 Songbird GAW, and I know that every one of you are excited, just as excited as we are. Now let me get down to the finals, the culmination. The answers. Number 1 was Bing Crosby. Number 2 was B.B. King. Number 3 was Bobby Darin. Number 4 was Burl Ives. Number 5 was John Lee Hooker. Number 6 was Albert King. Number 7 was Frank Sinatra. Number 8 was Henry Mancini. Number 9 was Harry Belafonte. Number 10 was Ginger Baker. Number 11 was Thelonious Monk. Number 12 was Nat King Cole. Number 13, no, it was not Jethro Tull. It was Ian Anderson. Number 14 was Ray Charles. And number 15 was Stevie Ray Vaughan. I beg to differ with anyone that put Jethro Tull. Jethro Tull was a 17th century English agriculturist and inventor. He invented the horse-drawn seed drill.
Whatever that is.
Ian Anderson did sing for the band Jethro Tull, but I wanted the name of the pipe smoker, not the name of the band that he sang for. I am smoking the Ole'Pops pipe, and it is filled with Tennessee Sunset from our local brick and mortar. What you a-chooching on there, Briar Dude?
Well, I'm smoking on this thingamabob I made. And in it, I got some Colt Blood Red Moon.
Oh, Lord, Lord, Lord. A cherry delight and pipe crack to boot. Now, down to business. Back to my book. We had a total in this GAW of 37 entries. Number 1 was our good friend Pickin' Piper. Number 2 was the infamous James Long. Number 3 was Mark over at Tobacco Pipe International. Number 4, Coy Parks 104. Number 5, Smoking Grandpa Bones. Number 6, S.I. Pipe Smoker. Number 7, Okie Piper John. Number 8, Olive Wood Piper. Number 9, Luis at Latakia Quest Piper. Number 10, Yardism. Number 11, Chris Bjarkman. Number 12, Tennessee Bull. Number 13, Chooch and Briar. Number 14, Davy W. Number 15, Old Shady at Curmudgeon Piper. Number 16, Pipe Dot. Number 17, Peddler Piper. Number 18, 2 a.m. Pipe on the Patio. Number 19, my good friend John at Dale Piper. Number 20, Fisherman at Cal Delta Piper. Number 21, Jeff the Chef Piper. Number 22, Uncle Mel at the Garbage Man Piper. Number 23, Cherry on Top. Number 24, Algonquin Briar. Number 25, Corvette Jim. Number 26, Tom Briggs. Number 27, P.T. Daly. Number 28, Stogie 300. Number 29, Grizz Lipper, 1225, 1225. Number 30, Piping and Camping. Number 31, Four-Eyed Piper. Number 32, Rodney Whitfield. Number 33, Piping Paul. Number 34, Fat Bob Jim. Number 35, Lester Skinner. Number 36, Louisiana Blackwater Fly Fishing. And number 37, River Rat 74. Now, what I have done, for the sake of going over the rules, if you identified 1 out of 5 pipe smokers, you got 1 entry. If you identified 6 out of 10, you got 2 entries. If you identified 7 out of 15, 11 out of 15, then you got 3 entries. And in keeping with the theme of the Songbird GAW, I have taken your number 1 through 37 and I have written them on a guitar pick. And I have put them in this velvet tin. If you had 1 entry, you've got 1 pick in here. If you had 2 entries, you've got 2 picks in here with your numbers on them. If you had 3 entries, you've got 3 picks in here with your numbers on them. Miss Jilly, darling, is going to do our pull for us.
Magic hands. Bring somebody some luck today.
We're going to get 3 different winners. You can't win all 3 prizes, but we're going to get 3 different winners. We're going to start with the 3rd prize. It's a tin of aperitif, a tin of Dunhill My Mixture 965, a tin of Dunhill Elizabethan, a pouch of Prince Albert, an Ole'Pops Purple Project CD. Every song in the world that would make you ever want to cry. And a tamper made by my very own hands out of a piece of 100-year-old seasoned pear wood. The very wood that should have hung John Wilkes Booth. Now, Briar Dude.
Yeah.
Take your share, but. And you keep track of these here numbers.
Okay.
Get me a Sharpie. Miss Jilly, darling, you tell me when to stop. You ready?
Stop.
No, wait. I got to shake it first. Round and round, shaky town, up and down, and all around.
Okay.
Reach in there,
my first pull.
reach in there and get one pick.
No, I make my first pull.
You're supposed to reach in there and get one pick for third prize.
There's my first pull.
That's going to make me, well, whoo. Never mind.
All right.
This for third prize. What's the number?
Number 7.
Number 7.
Number 7. Okie Piper John.
Okie Piper John. Let's write his name on this bag. All right. Second prize. You get a pouch of Prince Albert. You get an Ole'Pops Purple Project CD. Every song in the world you ever thought you'd ever cry over.
That's not a crying CD.
A tin of Dunhill nightcap. A tin of early morning pipe. An antique Missouri Meerschaum General. It's got a branded stamp on it.
You smoke all day with that.
Not no paper stamp. And made with love with my own 2 hands out of a piece of 100-year-old seasoned pear wood out of the very tree that should have hung John Wilkes Booth.
And the bullet that should have shot him.
And the bullet that should have shot him. A tamper. Prize number 2. Are y'all ready? Here we go. Round. I guess we could put this pick in there for Okie Piper John. That way he knows he was number 7. Round and around and up and down.
Hagen's looking at me like, what?
Hagen says, what in the world's going on here? Tell me when to stop.
Okay, stop.
What number you got?
13.
Number 13.
13 is Chooch and Briar.
Chooch and Briar. If you hear your name called, you got 7 days to get in touch with me via email. Send me your mailing address so I can get this out to you if you don't get in touch with me within the next 7 days.
It will automatically be given to the runner-up Briar dude.
Now, you heard the rule. I don't know where it came from. Now, grand prize. First of all, a pouch of Prince Albert, a tin of Dunhill early morning pipe, a tin of Dunhill nightcap, every song in this whole wide world you ever thought you'd ever want to cry to on Ole'Pops' Purple Project CD. A tamper made from the 100-year-old seasoned pearwood tree that should have hung John Wilkes Booth. And last but not least, and certainly not least, I'm going to sneak up there just a little bit closer and show you folks the coup de grace. This is the pouch that I made by
I was
hand.
going to say, which one of y'all made this one? I didn't see it.
Ole'Pops made the pouch, a leather pouch that holds this pipe.
I haven't seen that thing in a while. I forgot what it
Made
was
by
like.
the Briar dude, carved, hand carved by the Briar dude.
Or if I've ever seen it.
This is
Or if I've ever seen it.
a pretty little feller.
But you'll take a gander at that again.
Oh, I have seen that.
Ain't that a pretty thing?
Yeah, it is pretty. Yep.
You'd be fortunate to have it. I'm telling you. That right there. Coming at you. Now, who's gonna get it? That's the question of the evening. round and round, and up and down.
You'll have to call this one.
Huh?
How long you gonna let him shake? This one's on you.
Getting a workout.
Hey man, I could stand it, don't you think? Tell me when.
Oh, me? Stop.
He put an extra shake in there, I saw it.
Oh no. Well, there. Who gets it? If it's a 7 or a 13, you got to take it away.
It's 30.
A 30.
A 30. And that is, and without further ado, piping and camping.
Piping and camping.
Congratulations.
You know who you are. Let me write that on here. P and C. Let me tell you, it's been a long run. Everybody, I appreciate y'all playing. I hope y'all had fun with this GAW. It was my pleasure to run it. I had a lot of fun with it. Maybe we'll do it again. I hope we do. Maybe at 500, maybe at 400. Who knows? Had a great time. I love each and every one of you. I like to thank Miss Jilly Darling for doing my pull for me. I'd like to thank the Briar Dude for contributing that pipe. And I'd like to thank each and every one of you for the subs. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for the watches, for the interaction on YouTube. I'd like to thank the YTPC for being the community that it is. And God bless you all. I'm Ole'Pops.
And I'm still the Briar Dude.
That's Jilly, darling. Congratulations to the winners.